Hey guys, welcome back to Sloan Speed Shop. In today's video, I bought some Boost Auto Parts, the Tomier lights, I guess you'd call them. Instead of these standard stock ones, I got the Boost ones. I didn't go with the switchbacks. I just went with the standard amber. I'm not a big fan of the white light on the outside. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's personal preference, but to me, I mean, it's a truck, so I like the yellow look, but I can show you guys kind of what these look like. It comes with everything you need to install them. I heard it's pretty easy to install them. The ones I got, you can see, I got the smoked color with the amber. Obviously, like I said, you could do the switchback, but it should look something like this. There's a part number for this one. Oh, these look like they shouldn't be too hard to install. Let's see, how much were these things? 80 bucks, 85 bucks. Ship. Let's see. So, this is what the new ones look like. Started working on another video. Got some mud flaps that's coming up soon. So this will go in here. Kind of tell the difference. Then this light out here is LED, should be yellow, kind of like the factory one, but just to give you guys a reference what the factory one look like. Let me see. I think this should be on. So that's a standard one. Looks like that. Now, supposedly all you do is you pop this glass off, and you're supposed to be able to get right at it. You can kind of see it back in there. So pop this glass off, see if I can get in there, and we'll plug this bad boy in and see what they look like. I don't know if you guys can see me over here, but what it says to do, pop without breaking. Come on. I don't like this at all. Oh, it broke. Oh, good thing I got these at Boost Auto Parts. I'm gonna have to buy me one of those. Dang it. Well, she did break. But this is what she looks like. Come here with this little screw right there. Screw that off and it should install into the factory plug on this one. Oh, let's see what she looks like. That makes me mad though that did that. Let's see, my little torque's bit. Give me a second. Only come in here. Loosen this one. Can't believe I broke the glass. Gosh. Makes me mad. Oh well. They should give you a free glass with this because you're guaranteed to probably break them. And then you take this pin, push it in. That one slides out. And then I'm gonna press it out like so. And she clips right out. And then you take the new one. Let me make sure I got the right one. A new one. And then they give you this extra wiring harness. I don't know if I need this. I guess we'll plug it in and see. I shouldn't need it, but it goes like that. This is the new one. Let's see. And then, that's your turn signal. Switch. See? She's blinking. That's what she looks like. Well, that makes me mad that I broke the glass, though. I think I got the wrong one. Take the new one. Check out this. Get that off of there. Talking. Tennessee. And then you can kind of see how it sits into the old style. Watch. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get in there. It's not too bad. Left hand. This would be left hand. Just like so. It does have it on there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says RH right hand, and the other one says LH for left hand. Kind of sits right down in there. This big old long 8 cord. Plug that in there. Tuck that back in. Make sure it's out of the way of the other mirror though. Take your screw. Screw that back in. Just like so. There's that. We'll take our broken piece of glass. Gosh, I missed there. And snap it back in there. I'll be getting a hold of Boost for a new one of those. Turn this on so you guys can see the difference. There's the new one. There's the stock one. Better picture. So stock. Here's the Boost one. Looks sweet, but see, you can get this in the white, but I like the truck style yellow. I think it's bright. And it still does the old same turn signal. So there's that. If you guys can see, that's what it blinks like. There's the standard one. So we'll get the other side put on here. See if we can't not break this side. All right, let's go back to the driver's side. Now I think what happened over there is when I pulled it up, it smacked it. So I'm gonna try to pull this one instead. Oh, that one didn't work. So, or didn't break. So I would pull down like this instead of pulling out. I don't know, it just, our one cracked. Kind of mad about it, but it is what it is. You need to unclip these. It's the same with the, as it was the other side. Undo the bolt, little Torx bit. Cold here. Take that out. And you still reuse the factory one. And it kind of snaps out like so. Cobwebs. It's got a little clip, push down on it, and it pulls right out. And we'll take our new factory, or not factory, but new harness that Boost Auto Parts sent us. Plugs right in, like so. And take it through, flip it in, push it in, before we set that in, I'm gonna make sure that it works. Turn our lights on, like so. And we got light. So we'll get it all tightened back down. Take your Torx bit, shove your wire back in there. Make sure it's out of the way so when your mirror, you adjust your mirror, it doesn't hurt it. Take that. First you gotta put the screw back in. Make sure your hole's on right up. Tighten it back. Tighten her down, tighten her down, tighten her down. Won't go too tight because it's plastic. It will crack. Take your mirror. Push it back in. Like so. Now I got both of them in. So this is what was in there before. This was the new style. Boost Auto Parts. It's pretty cool. Looks really good too. So like I said before, you can order everything you guys need for it. Boost Auto Parts. There's part number. They do have the glass piece because I did stinking break this piece. Oh, it makes me sick. She is broke. Hey, how's it going? So I'll have to order one. I'm gonna get on there tonight and order one of those because that makes me sick. But all in all, happy with how it turned out. Like I said, next I got the ram flaps put on. I did put the big tires back on. I couldn't go not putting them on, man. It just is. I love this truck. I'm very, 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 very happy with it. Fog lights are working out good. I have them on for about a week now. Hadn't had no issues with them falling or anything like that. They're still really solid. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Please make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.